5 money-making apps that you can use to make money online literally this year, this month, this week, even as soon as today. In this video, we're gonna be cutting through all of the noise and get rid of all the scam apps, all the apps that are trying to waste your time, and all the apps that don't actually pay you. And we're gonna be talking about the top 5, literally counting down from the 5th all the way down to the #1 best app that you can use to make money online just with this little guy right here using your cell phone. And after doing a lot of research and a lot of testing and going through review sites and Googling and looking at all of the different and best apps from all around the internet, we have decided on the top 5 most legit that you can actually get paid directly to your account using just your cell phone. And if you're new here, first of all, welcome to the channel. My name is Kevin David, and I help over 1 million of you amazing subscribers. And if you're not a subscriber yet, click the little subscribe button and make sure you also tap the like button because it does help us with the YouTube algorithm show more awesome people like you videos like this. And if you do like money and you do want to subscribe, make sure you also join the bell squad and turn on notifications so that you will be notified every time we drop a brand new video. And last but not least, if you do like making money online and you like working from home, drop a comment down below that says money making apps. And if we get 1,000 comments that says money making apps, then I will actually release a brand new course that teaches you the best way to start making hundreds, if not thousands of dollars a day, and I'll drop it down in the description, but only once we reach 1,000 comments. I also go through every single one of my comments myself and respond to all of you guys. So if you have any questions at all about this video or you want to request a new video, leave it down below in a comment and I will personally get back to you and I will personally respond to your comment. All right guys, so without further ado, let's get into the video. So one of the most common questions that I get from all of you beautiful 1 million plus subscribers is, Kevin, how can I make money online this year, this month, today using just my cell phone? And you know, the more I thought about it, the more it started to make sense. Our phone is something we literally carry with us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Probably, if you're like me, that you use a little bit too often, wasting a bunch of time browsing on Instagram. And so it makes a lot of sense to actually start using this little phone to make us some money if we're gonna always have it with us. And to start off our countdown, we're gonna start with number 5 and count down all the way to the #1 best app, with the 5th app being called Fope. Now they probably did need some help in naming that app because it's kind of a strange name, but the app idea is actually pretty cool. Essentially what you do is you take pictures with your cell phone like millions of us actually do for free, but this time you actually get paid for your work. And if you're thinking to yourself, but Kevin, why would somebody want to pay me for pictures I take on my cell phone? Well, there's thousands, if not millions of companies out there that actually need photos, right? They need product photos, they need photos of landscapes or beautiful sunsets for bikini or sunglasses companies or all types of different things. And you can actually go onto Fope and you can see what types of pictures are selling. And you can see that Fope actually gives you 50% of the profit for each photograph that you sell. Many images actually sell for as much as $10, even for a single image. You can also take advantage of things called missions, where brands will actually pay hundreds of dollars even for just a single photo. So if you like taking photos, I suggest checking Fope out after the video, of course, where you can actually see what type of photos are selling to these brands, to these people, to these companies, so that you can actually start taking similar photos, upload them yourself, and who knows, if you have a passion or a knack for photography, you could start making money just by uploading pictures from your phone. App number 4 is called Field Agent. Now, Field Agent is a really unique idea as well. Essentially what Field Agent does is you become an actual shopper or an advocate on behalf of certain brands who have their products featured in stores around the country, but don't have enough people to actually see how their brands are represented in those stores on the shelves to make sure that they're actually represented the way that they want to be at these department stores or grocery stores. And essentially how it works is you get paid for your opinions, for your reviews, and for your photographs of products and services of thousands of different brands all around the country. Once you download Field Agent, you can see that you can actually see a map of all the different available jobs, and then you can choose which jobs you're interested in, and then you can actually go to those jobs and start doing exactly what they say. Very simple tasks like taking a photograph of a box of cereal at a grocery store. I know that sounds strange, but brands want to make sure that their product products are represented the way that they're told they're being represented at these grocery stores, and they're willing to pay everyday people like you to actually do these very simple jobs or tasks for them. Now, generally these jobs pay anywhere from $3 to $12 per job, depending on how difficult it is. But the cool thing is these jobs generally only take between 10 and 15 minutes to actually accomplish. So you can sometimes do multiple different jobs in the same hour. And there's also multiple different field agent style apps that you can download. And I suggest, if you really want to make the most of it, that you download all of the different apps similar to field agent, and then actually take all the available jobs in your area so that you can earn the maximum actual amount possible doing these types of simple jobs. App number 3 is called Dosh. Now, Dosh has been growing like crazy recently, and the reason it's been growing like crazy is because it works and people love it. Essentially what Dosh is it's called a cashback app. You actually link your debit or credit card to, and you get paid cash back that you wouldn't otherwise get for purchases that you're already making anyway. You can earn up to 10% cash back per purchase from stores that you're probably already going to and already probably shopping at anyways. And these include popular retailers like Sephora, Dunkin' Donuts, Sam's Club, Pizza Hut, and so many more. They also have a very, very enticing affiliate program, right? So the more people that you actually get to sign up for Dosh under your affiliate link, the more money you can make. You can actually make up to $5 per referral of a new member that signs up to Dosh. So if you or your friends or your family members actually go out and spend a lot of money at these retailers, right, it probably makes sense for them to sign up to Dosh anyways, and you can actually get paid to refer people to Dosh as well. App number 2 is called Google Opinion Rewards. And the cool thing about Google Opinion Rewards is it's from Google, right? So you know that it's 100% legit, and you know exactly what you're gonna get out of it before you actually go in. And you can see that the Google Opinion Rewards app has over 1.7 million reviews with over a 4-star rating, right? So you know that other people out there are taking advantage of the Google Opinion Rewards app, and they're making money to do it. Now, are you going to get rich with this app or any of the other apps? Absolutely not, right? But this is a good way if you have a lot of time, or you just want to start making any money at all, or you just have extra time on your phone, right? To make some money that you can then reinvest into a more scalable actual option to make money online, such as high income skills, including e-commerce, social media marketing, and things like that. But essentially how Google Opinion Rewards works is Google will pay you to answer basic surveys that companies pay them to actually get their users to answer for them, right? And so for example, a company might be curious about how you use your computer, or what type of barbecue sauces you like the most, right? And they'll actually pay Google to facilitate that survey on their behalf, and then Google will give you a portion of that money to actually be the person filling it out. Now, are you gonna be able to make a full-time living with Google Opinion Rewards? Probably not, but it is a good way to start making a couple extra bucks just in your free time, so you can start building up that capital that you can then reinvest into yourself, into other means to actually make money online. And the number 1 money-making app that you can use to start making money online with no pre-existing skills, and you can do this entirely working from home, just using your phone, we will get to in a second, but I do want to give a huge thank you and a huge genuine shout out to all of you beautiful people who do choose to watch these videos, who do choose to tap the subscribe button, who do choose to actually make that little like button turn blue. It really does mean a lot to me to know that you guys are watching my content when there's so many other people out there creating videos, but you guys choose to watch me. And so it means a lot to me, and I really do love every single one of you guys who actually comes and shows up and watches all these videos from the start to the end and comments and really engages, because it means everything to me. You guys changed my life, and so I just wanted to give you guys a massive, massive, genuine thank you from the bottom of my heart. I don't know what I would do without you guys. And something that's important to remember is this stuff takes time. If you're out there and you feel like you're just spinning your wheels and you're working hard, but no actual progress is being made, you have to understand that there comes a certain point where you have to stop learning and start doing, right? And I don't mean stop learning for the rest of your life, but it's very easy to just go on YouTube or Instagram or Facebook and watch entrepreneurs like me or Gary Vee or any other entrepreneur just over and over again, just consuming all of this content. But you want to be a creator, right? You wanna be somebody who's actually starting an e-commerce business or using these apps or creating a YouTube video or just doing something, right? And when you change yourself from a consumer to a creator, where you're creating value, you're creating your own business, right? That's how you start to make progress. So just a last little note for you guys, be patient, stick with it, trust the process, be consistent, and you will have results. I promise you. Remember guys, a few years ago, I was working as an accountant making, a few $1,000s a year, and now, I'm living in my dream house because of consistency. And if I can do it, a below average accountant, then you can, wherever you are. If you're watching on your phone, if you're in another country, if you're in the USA, Canada, it doesn't matter. If you're watching this right now, you can do it too, but it has to start up here, right? You have to believe in yourself and you have to believe that you can do it, because if you don't, then you can't. He who thinks he can and he who thinks he can't are both usually right. And so without further ado, the #1 app to start making money online using just your cell phone is called TaskRabbit. Now, TaskRabbit is actually an app that I myself have used and actually hired people off of, because I move around a lot. I don't really like doing things at the house, like fixing plumbing or little stuff around the house. And so you can actually hire people on TaskRabbit to help you move your furniture or help you, fix things around the house, or to help you do any number of tasks out there that you just personally either can't do yourself or don't want to do yourself. And this is really cool because you don't need any pre-existing skills. You can sign up entirely from your phone, and you can actually earn pretty close to, if not a full-time income, just using TaskRabbit just from your phone, especially if you live in a larger city. And if you live internationally and maybe they don't have TaskRabbit, I bet you that they have a similar app. So just, if you ever can't find these apps in the country that you live, just Google search similar app to TaskRabbit in the name of your country. Because we get so many comments saying, Kevin, does this work here? Does this work there? Does this work there? When you guys could just Google it, right? There's something called the GIN mentality that I teach all of my mastermind students. GIN stands for Google It Now. Now that's the biggest difference between people who end up becoming millionaires and multimillionaires and people who don't. Just the willingness and resourcefulness to figure out how to actually teach yourself things and Google things, right? The world is so incredible with the internet now. You can literally find all the information that has ever existed in the world at the tips of your fingers, but people don't do it, right? They want somebody else to solve all of their problems, and those are the people who end up not having any success, and the people who actually become resourceful and learn how to learn are the ones who always have the most success. And you can make up to $50 an hour literally cleaning or moving boxes or furniture or helping people, screw in light bulbs or put together, furniture that they didn't want to put together themselves from IKEA, right? And I've seen people make a significant amount of money using this app. And TaskRabbit isn't the only app out there that's like this. You can find many other different apps similar to it, sign up for all of them, and then start accepting jobs from all of them at the same time to maximize your monthly earnings. So those are 5 amazing money-making apps to start making money online using just your phone, working from home. But if you want to learn the #1 way to actually make money online from the comfort of your own home, just using your laptop, then check out the link down below where I teach you the super secret way that you can actually make hundreds, if not thousands of dollars a day, creating basic ads that look like this for business owners. And I know that might sound hard to believe, but click the link down below and I'll prove it to you. Or if you want to keep learning more on YouTube, you have a brand new playlist of money-making videos coming to you live in 3, 2, 1. See you there. Click it. Come on, click it. Do it. Click the playlist. Okay, you don't have to, but I promise you'll like it. Click the playlist. See you soon. Peace.